Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, I'm going to be discussing exhaust deflectors designed to fit 35 to 90 size RC airplane engines. This is the package exhaust deflector. As you can see, it's manufactured by Dubro. It's actually labeled pretty well, so they have exhaust deflector. They actually tell you that it's for 35 to 90 size engines. So I'm going to remove the cardboard labeling here, and as you can see here, they actually have an image or a diagram, which is I always think is good. Anytime a manufacturer can add a diagram to help you out with the installation, and they actually tell you, give you some details, and tell you that it's manufactured out of heat-resistant silicone, which is good because hopefully you can get some prolonged use out of this, and that the oils coming out of the engine don't ruin the material. So what I'm going to do now is actually go into what's actually packaged here. So this is the actual exhaust deflector here, and as you can see, it's pretty flexible, which is good. And they actually include 2 nylon clear zip ties. So everything that you need to install this onto your aircraft or your engine is included in the packaging. So you do not need to go out and purchase any additional equipment to install this. Okay, so here we are with the actual aircraft. I have it sitting on the stand. And what I do when I get it, I actually turn the muffler down. So it kind of gives a little bit of a reprieve, but not too much. So that's why I'm going with this, because if I'm going to put an action camera on top, then I want to make sure that there are no oils getting on it. So that's what that looks like there. So what I'm going to do here is trying to figure out which way I want to put this. So I guess I'll go this way. Now I go this way. Let's see. Yeah. Put it on that first strap there. Makes it a lot easier to pull it this way. I'll come here, do this on the same way. Just take my scissors here. Get a little bit more of that off. There we go. And do a little bit of a pull test. And that's it. This concludes the video on exhaust deflectors for RC airplane engines. At this time, I'm going to bid you adieu. I hope this video is helpful. Until next time, my friends, laissez le bon temps rouler.